Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate the high-precision synchronize-fly Sheeter Unwind Stand ultrasonic electric debugging. Let's find the interface first and set the paper roll diameter. Set it into 140. No need to adjust the distance. We set the tension coefficient to 4. Return. Then let's set the air pressure to 2.5 kilograms. The lower limit is set into 0.3 kilograms. Usually, the lower limit must not be lower than 0.3 kilograms, because the setting is too small. When you cut thick paper, the paper will easily wrinkle. Let us do an experiment. Use a piece of white paper to test whether our parameters are set. When there is no paper on the unwind stand, the air meter shows 0. Our display has been adjusted. Follow me to look at our ultrasonic electric eye. These are the two ultrasonic electric eyes of our machine's unwind stand A and B. This is the ultrasonic electric eye of seat A. This is the ultrasonic electric eye of seat B. They are both in the middle of the unwind stand. We use a piece of white paper here to test whether our ultrasonic electric eye is running normally, and simulate the paper roll from big to small. We are putting the paper roll on now. After the machine is running, the paper roll is slowly getting smaller, and our parameter air pressure is also slowly decreasing. When our paper roll is 1/3 left, the current air pressure will also continue to decrease according to the diameter of the paper roll. When we reach the end, that is, the lowest value is 0.5 kilograms. The simulation is completed. Now we change the tension setting back to 3 kilograms and adjust the lower limit to 0.5. Because we are not putting paper on at present, the minimum tension is 0.5 kilograms. The settings on the right are the same. Thank you for watching.